Listen, if you're still sending affiliate traffic directly to merchant pages like Amazon or ClickBank or Warrior Plus, you're destined to lose money. Now, in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to exactly show you how to create a professional landing page for free using Systeme.io that is going to capture the leads and that is going to boost your commissions. Now, this is a method that top affiliate marketers use to make thousands of dollars per week. Now, after analyzing hundreds of these landing pages, here's the thing that most beginners don't get. You don't need to be tech savvy, or you don't need to have coding skills, and you definitely don't need to spend thousands of dollars on fancy softwares. You just need to follow these 4 simple steps that I'm about to show you. Step number 1, the setup sprint. Now, this step literally takes less than 60 seconds, but this is where 90% of the beginners get it wrong and they waste hours on this. Now, we are logging into Systeme.io account. Now, if you've not got your Systeme.io account, which is free, you can always check out the link in the description. Now, after coming to the dashboard over here, you can go to the sites and click on the sales funnels over here. Now, under this, you can see already I've created one of the sales funnels. Now, you can go and click on the create funnels here, and here you can enter the name of the funnel. So I'm just going to enter it as YouTube. Select the funnel domain. For example, by default, it is the domain that Systeme.io has created. Now, if you have your own custom domain, you can always choose that. So I'm just going to choose the custom domain which I have own. Next is to choose your funnel goal. Now, here the funnel goal is to build an audience. So we are going to capture the email address for our affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to click on build an audience. And when you scroll down, you can set this currency. So I'm just going to change the currency to US dollars. Click on the US dollars and click on save. Now you can see the YouTube funnel has been created. Now you can just go and click on this YouTube funnel. Now here you can see this funnel list YouTube squeeze page. Now squeeze page is the page where you're going to collect the email address of the traffic. Now just don't select any random templates. We are going to capture leads for our affiliate marketing business. So we have to choose a template which is simple and direct. So I'm just going to select this template which looks lean and simple. So I'm just going to click on select, and here you can see this is the squeeze page and the URL path. I'm just going to change the URL path to squeeze page, and now you can go and click on the edit page. I have tested different templates, but the one which is simple and that is speaking directly to the audience is converting 30 to 40% better than the fancy and detailed squeeze pages. Trust me, I have learned this hard way by testing different templates over the last 1 year. Step 2, the magic customization. Now here's where the real magic happens. I'm going to show you exactly the elements that needs attention that is going to separate the amateur from the profit pulling machines. Now here in this landing page, we're going to edit the headline. Now headline is the most important part of any landing page. So I'm just going to change the headline over here. So this is the headline, the 5-minute method that's helping regular people quit their 9-to-5 job. Now this is a headline that is creating a sense of urgency and promise a benefit. Now, next is the subheadline. Now you need to have a clear subheadline that is going to work in congruent with the headline. So I'm just going to make it as, so complete newbies are making money with this brand new method. This is the headline and this is the subheadline, and next is going to be the button. And here you have to have proper call to action. Now select this button over here and you scroll down, you can see the button text over here and you can edit the button text. Now here we are going to give the button text as, now this is a call to action that is going to make the visitor take action. So get my 9-to-5 freedom blueprint. So now we have entered all the 3 important elements of a landing page: the headline, the subheadline, and the call to action. Step number 3, the connection formula. Now step number 3 is the place where most people give up because they think that it's too complicated, but it's actually the most easiest part. Now we are setting up this landing page to collect the leads. So here is the form. Now this part is called the form, where we collect the first name, last name, and the email address. And when you scroll up to this top over here, you can see button and action when button clicked. So whenever a person clicks this button, they are taken to the next step. Now what is the next step? Do you want to redirect users after contact registration? Yes, to the next step. Now, if it is to the next step, it will take you to the next step in this funnel, whether it might be a bridge page or thank you page. Now, if you want to take them to direct to the affiliate offers, then you can just click on this to a custom URL and enter the affiliate offers link over here. And now here's the most important thing. Now, whenever you are going to collect email addresses, you should always make sure that you don't ensure this tick mark enabled do you want to enable or double opt-in on this form? Now, this is the mistake that I did when I started affiliate marketing. Never use double opt-in, because the more friction you're going to add, the lesser the chances of leads adding on to your autoresponder. So here you can see the first name, last name, and email address. The less information that you're going to collect, the better it's going to convert. So I'm just going to remove this last name. Go over here and you can see this delete option. Click on this delete option. Yeah. Now you can see only the first name and the email address. And if it is even better if you just remove this first name, and the conversion rate will definitely be like 10 to 20% higher. Now we are connecting this form to our email autoresponder. Now in this case, Systeme.io has its own email autoresponder. So it's a very good platform for beginners to start with. So if you've not got your Systeme.io account, you can always check out the link in the description box. So one platform, everything is connected. So it's like the Swiss Army knife in affiliate marketing. So now here you can remove this image if you want. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now the step 4, the launch and scale secret. Now the final step, which is the step 4, is where the beginners and the person who are really making money online are separated. We are talking about the mobile optimization, because most of the users, almost 70% of the users, land onto these landing pages through mobile. So you should always make sure that it is optimized for mobile. Now what you need to do is that you can just scroll above and click on this mobile option. And here you can see it is going to be automatically optimized for the mobile version. Now we have seen the desktop version. Now this is the mobile version. This is how it looks on the mobile. Now you can see the 5-minute method that's helping regular people quit the 9-to-5 job, the headline, the sub-headline, the form where you're collecting the name and the email address, and the call to action. And make sure that this call to action is always above the fold. Now, what do you mean by above the fold? There should not be a need to scroll down to click on this button, because most people don't scroll. So make sure that it is above the fold. So you can see it is mobile optimized and it's perfect. It's clean, simple, and direct. And next is to save this page. So this is how you build a simple landing page to capture the leads without any fancy animations or too many elements. So the simpler it is, the better it converts. So just a clear path from visitor to subscriber and to commissions. Now the best part, we have invested just under 5 minutes to build this complete landing page. So now you have a professional landing page that is going to build your email list immediately. While everyone else, the most beginners, are sending affiliate traffic direct to the vendor sales page, we're building an asset that is going to pay you now and forever. And one of my subscribers, Jenny from Texas, is using the same system, the 4-step system, to build the landing page. And she's having a very good opt-in rate of around 50 to 60% through YouTube. I hope you got real value out of this video where you can build this landing page in less than 5 minutes. Now, if you want a more detailed tutorial about Systeme.io, like how to build sales funnels, how to build the email automations, email sequences, and also how to build the bridge pages, then you can always watch the video on top right of your screen. Now, if you got real value out of this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more valuable videos related to affiliate marketing strategies. So with that, let's meet in another video. Until then, bye.